We're gonna put you in a vehicle,
right.
and we're gonna push that to the side, push that one to the side,
right.
and get you to the front of the line.
Right.
That way you can enjoy your stay and minimize the time, your downtime.
You know. Get back. It's too hot out here, man.
Oh man, what you talking about?
Gotta be kidding. No, he didn't just say.
He said, yeah, he told me it's too hot.
It's a whole different kind of heat.
They
in Arizona. Oh man.
Oh, Arizona dry you out. Yeah.
So this is a water cool.
Yeah, I heard.
Yeah, cause that one's a water cooler. We heard your fans come on, so he got the water cool too.
Yeah,
I heard that. Okay, so you got the what kind of covers are these? These are hog tunes, and that
I got them especially for you, so you can hook me up.
Okay, all right.
What year is this one? 17.
17. Okay, all right. So we're gonna go on this your scenario. I see you. Do you have music already on here or something? I see these already up in here.
I put these on. They just run out hardly amp. I don't even know they on. So
okay,
I know they'll do something.
They'll
but
do something.
I ain't picking them up. You know, that amp ain't picking them up.
Yeah, you ain't hearing it. So our setup, we want to go with the you said you wanted to go with the highway set, the 6-pack we talked about. Okay, we're gonna do over here. But we had an issue. We were talking about it because we were saying, which I discovered, there was no action to put to really put a 6x9 over here. Besides, if I had to really make something, which you said, Rob, come on, Rob, I know you can do something.
I know, man.
Yeah,
I mean, I told them I coming way to California to get this system. It's got to be right when I get back to Arkansas. They said you could have done that over there across town. I don't want them to say that.
Okay.
I don't want them to say that.
Okay, all right.
I don't want them to say
all right, well, let's pull him in the yard and pull him in put you on the operating table, and let's give it the once over and see if we can get going here, and we'll see if we can. We're gonna talk it out and work it out, and I'm gonna get you a vehicle so you can go take somewhere, take the load off, get the road off you. You can maybe tour the bay or do something with yourself while you're here.
Okay.
But what made you put the tail fin on the back?
The tour pack?
The fin.
Well, I had another street glide that I wrecked, and I had I liked the little wing on it, so I'm gonna make sure that I grab me another.
So you got it functioning with the brake light on it?
Oh, yeah.
Because that brake light, I told it's to tell people get up off me. You see me braking, you see me, I'm lighting up. Yeah. Okay. Man, what y'all riding down in Arkansas, man? What part of Arkansas are you from? Put it that way.
Pine Bluff, just south of Little Rock.
Man, that's down. Man, I know people in Pine Bluff, man. Wow. Yeah, I know some people. I know some people. My daughters live in Pine Bluff.
Okay.
And see, it's gonna come back to me, and I can throw some stuff at you, and you'd be like, "Oh yeah, I know where that's at, Rob." Yeah, because my daughter graduated from out there, and then I went down there. I made annual trips. Anybody graduate, any of my kids graduate, they ain't gonna be there when they come across stage. Slap some money in your hand, let's go shopping.
Right, I see you represent Razorback.
Y'all see that? I don't even know why I put this on there. Yeah, tell you, I got this at your local Walmart when I was there. Yeah, okay. All right, y'all. Money's Car and Stereo, just letting y'all see what I see.